2. To learn to speak English fluently, you must think in English. To learn to speak English fluently, you must think in English. The proprioceptive sense is not all that you are retraining when you learn spoken English. There is cognitive learning, memory, which must also take place. Grammar-based English instruction has emphasized cognitive learning to the exclusion of retraining the proprioceptive sense. Nonetheless, cognitive learning is an important part of learning to speak English fluently. For speech to occur, your mind must be actively involved in syntax development. The more actively your mind is involved in spoken English, the more effective the learning process becomes. However, just as you will hinder proprioceptive training by trying to study silently, so you will also limit cognitive learning by reading from a text, rather than constructing the syntax in your own mind. If you are studying English with spoken English learned quickly, you may use the written text when you first study a new exercise. However, after repeating the exercise 2 or 3 times, you must close the text and do the exercise from recall memory as you listen to the audio recording. You must force your mind to think in English by using your recall memory when you are studying spoken exercises. You cannot read from a text.